Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now from here, if you want to block this unknown number, just select it and then tap on this menu icon. Now here at the bottom you can find block option. Just tap on block and then tap on block again to confirm it, and it's done. You can see the number has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon. That means the number is blocked now. If you want to block any contacts, just go back and then tap on contacts. Choose any contacts. If I select it, tap on this eye icon. From here, just tap on more and then tap on block contact. Just tap on block again and you can see it's blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock this number or contacts, just go back and then tap on three dots. Then go to settings option. From here, just tap on block numbers and that's it. Here you can find your all the block number or contacts. If you want to unblock any number, you have to just tap on this minus icon and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contacts in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.